Hello everyone. My name is Sarah, your host for this podcast episode. If you're looking for an inexpensive iPhone screen repair shop in Covina, then I would suggest visiting iTech Express. iTech Express is one of the trusted full-service repair shops for most the Apple products like iPhones, iPad, etc. Their skilled technicians specialize to provide accurate screen repair service within the same day. You can expect guaranteed repair service with genuine parts at a budget-friendly price. iTech Express also provides computer repair services like networking, data removal, password recovery, and many more. For a competitive repair cost estimate, contact them at 626-777-4747. Or, browse itechexpressinc.com to learn more about their services. Thank you for listening. I will be back soon with another podcast episode. So, stay tuned.